This is 141 Cook. Really nice single family. It's got a garage under, an apartment up above. The property sits off the road, which is nice. Has a really nice lawn space. There is good parking. Plus has the garage. Really hard to find units with garage space. So the owner has owned this for quite a while. The owner lived in it themselves and just had a long-term tenant move out of it. So they went through and have done quite a bit of work updating it. The tractor does not come with it, but it does include snow removal. So that's a really unusual item. The owner will do the lawn care and the snow removal. If somebody wants to do it on the lawn, they could, but he'll do both. And the really neat thing is you get a garage you can park in, plus you have storage or 2 parking spots. It does have laundry over here, so it comes with a washer dryer. They've added a heat pump water heater, so has very efficient hot water that costs about half to run. And the really neat thing is that they cost a little bit more to put in, but the owner wanted to do it. Doesn't have water and sewer costs because it's got private water. This is just a bonus, like hobby area or workshop. It's included. The owner used it, has the shelves which will stay. It's got a little more storage. It's got an extra closet here, a couple shelves over there. It has the furnace, of course. It does the heat for the upstairs. And then it has the stairway that goes up. There is an outside entrance as well. The outside entrance has a deck off it, which is super nice. The unit just a few years ago had wood floors done, so there isn't carpet anywhere, which is pretty nice. Kind of open concept. Does have a built-in AC unit. I think he said that's one thing. There's an older unit there. He's going to replace that in the spring. Just isn't going to get to it. It's not necessary right now, of course. So a big living room. I mean, sort of massive. Has the nice built-in, which is super cool. And then it's got the kitchen, which they just did new stainless appliances and brand new ceramic floor tile. Room for a table. Somebody could do a bar, I suppose, but plenty of room for a table. Countertop is brand new. Has the deep sink. Beautiful with a sprayer and a handle. Even got a microwave. And it didn't have a dishwasher, so he added one of those, which is nice. This is the deck that's on the side. As I mentioned, there's stairs down to it. And the deck has some nice built-in chairs. It does have a couple little outbuildings. The owner is going to move those. He's going to try to do it this fall. If he doesn't get to it, he'll do it in the spring. Those don't come with it, but it's got the great storage with the garage. It's technically got 3 rooms up here, but it's a 2-bedroom because 2 are really small. So 2-bedroom plus an office. It does have an extra storage closet here with shelves in it. Could be a linen closet, I suppose, or just storage in general. It's got the master bedroom here is big enough for a king-size bed. It easily has 2 closets, which is nice. And then the bathroom, they also did some updating, new tub, shower. Vanity is really nice. Has a built-in medicine cabinet. And then it's just got storage everywhere. Nice big storage utility room for linens and stuff somebody wants, plus room for the utility stuff like vacuum or that kind of thing. He even got the shower curtain for somebody. You don't have to buy your own if you don't want to. And again, so master bedroom there, and then the 2 small rooms. So would make a good office, or you put a bed in one and somebody uses the other one for a guest room or something like that too. It does have a closet here. So not bad. Just small on those 2 sides, but the master's a really good size, and the unit, super nice, private. And the owner is doing the heat here, as well as the lawn and the snow. And it is available right away. So if you'd be interested, visit our rentbangor.com and do our application.